Hi, it's Rebecca, and today I want to talk to you about EFT and a way to make it more effective. And every time I think about EFT, I to Gary Craig for making it so available to all of us. That's my little Tobias over there in the background. So whenever you have an issue with EFT, to help get it more completely out into the open, it helps if you use an approach from another therapy too, and that is like eye movement therapy. Whenever you're thinking about something that you feel discombobbled about, isn't that a good word? If you use your eyeballs and think about the thing, it's going to be more complete. So here's what I'm feeling a little bit disgruntled about. As I'm making this, we're in the middle of a freeze. I've only had internet for a short time in South Texas. It never freezes. Pipes are frozen. Water is gushing. People are panicking. And it feels like, on top of the pandemic, that everything is going crazy and nothing's ever going to be the same. So, do you feel like that in any part of your life? Think about it on a scale of 1 to 10. How high does that feel for you? Maybe way up at a 10. So now while you're thinking about it, just follow my finger. I'm going to follow my own finger and think about all the things in your life that feel crazy and discombobbled and out of sorts. And at the end, I'm going to tell you why it's really good to use your eyeballs. And now let's tap together. It may have gone up higher as you were doing the eyeball thing. Woo, woo, woo. And also, you don't really move your head. You just want to move your eyeballs. So let's tap together on how intense this feeling is for you. And when this is over, will you make a note in the comment section how it feels for you? So here we go. I'm assuming you know tapping. If you don't, just follow along and do what I do. Even though I feel the world is crazy, I love and accept myself. I feel like nothing is ever going to be the same again. I love and accept myself. I feel like I'm so overwhelmed. I love and accept myself. I don't know where to turn. I feel abandoned. Whatever those feelings are for you, go ahead and say, I feel maybe God has forgotten us. I feel I don't know which way to go. I feel helpless. And I feel a little bit hopeless. I love and accept myself anyway. Now we're going to go to the top of the head. Hope you wrote down that intensity rating. Here we go. I feel helpless. Beginning of the eyebrow. I feel hopeless. Side of the eye. Nothing's ever going to be the same. Underneath the eye. I just want to hug people. I want to feel normal. Is the world ending? Tap right here. I feel overwhelmed. And then go underneath your armpit. I do not know what to do. And then I like to tap your wrists together. Stacy Bornbrock taught me this. I am simply at the end of my rope. And take a deep breath in and out. Now we want to use the eyeballs again. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Bring it up. Now, how would you prefer to feel? Instead of feeling like hopeless, this is crazy, I want to hug people. Now I'm talking about the pandemic. And for me, I'm also talking about to freeze. I want to be warm. I want to have internet. I want to use my cell phone, and I have a window of time before the next big freeze. So I'm doing this video for both of us. So how would you prefer to feel besides overwhelmed? Would you like to feel competent, hopeful, trusting God? There is a reason. It will all be over. And guess what? We're going to be better than ever. Let's tap that in. Even though I still feel at the end of my rope, I choose to make a new choice. I'm tapping in some new feelings. I choose to feel exhilarated. Oh, that's a good one. I can do anything. Things are getting better. I am the captain of my own ship. I like that. Things are getting better. My mind is getting happier. My mind is getting happier. I'm getting happier. Things are getting better. As we speak, things are getting better. This will be over soon. Things will be even better. Things will be better. I allow the energy of hopefulness. I am hopeful, and I do trust my divine. Now take a deep breath in and out. Now write down your intensity rating right now. I want to add something that my friend Raymond Grace taught me. He's a wonderful dowser if you're into dowsing, which I actually like it. I was looking for my pendulum and I don't know what I did with it. I've been doing this exercise every morning for me and a few other people. And let me tell you, it really gives you a new sense of presence, and you feel your brain working more. And it goes like this. I'm going to do it with EFT. Raymond does it just with dowsing. So here we go. We're just going to give commands on this one. Feel how alert you feel at the beginning of this, and then after we do it, feel it. Okay. Extra blood and oxygen flow to my brain in a healthy level. Extra blood and oxygen flow to my brain in a healthy level. Balance both hemispheres of my brain. Balance all four quadrants of my brain. Oh, I'm already feeling good. Okay, here we go, top of the head. Extra blood and oxygen to my cranial cavity. Balance my brain, both hemispheres of my brain. Extra blood and oxygen to my brain. Extra blood and oxygen in a healthy manner to my brain. Make me tingle all over, make me feel so good. Don't you know it, baby? Don't you know it, baby? Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Now, take a reading on how you feel. It's okay every now and then. You know, nothing cures the blues like a real good woo. Okay, now let's top it off with the balance of the hormones. Raymond Grace also does this with dowsing, and I do too, but this is about EFT. So let's use some EFT. My hormones could be out of balance. I could be a mess. I command my hormones to come into balance now. Woo, doesn't that feel good? I command my hormones to come into balance in a healthy manner now. I like a little oxytocin, please, to make me feel good all over. Endorphins, all those really good hormones come on in a balanced manner. We don't mind a little extra oxytocin just to make us feel like hugging everybody, feeling so good. Feeling so good. Balance the hormones. Woo, now, I want to do something else with you. And that's to balance the electrical impulses in your body. You know your body is electric. And some people's heart rhythm has been getting out of whack. Some people's electrical to the brain has been getting out of whack. This exercise will help to balance your body's electrical impulses. So here we go. Balance my body's electrical impulses. By the way, if you get a little bit of a head rush, it's okay. It'll all calm down. Balance my body's electrical impulses. Balance electrical impulses, especially in my heart. I do this for you every morning, Charlie. You know who you are. Balance electrical impulses in my heart. Balance electrical impulses in my brain, in my body, in my circulation. Balance electrical impulses. And then one more thing. Let us be in alignment with divine will. And to me, divine will is that which your heart planned to do in this physical incarnation. There is not some bearded guy in the sky going, you do this, do this, do this. You planned the whole thing. And you planned it in your divine state and with your divine advisors. So let's just acknowledge that. Here we go. I trust my divine guidance. I trust my divine plan. I'm okay. I'm better than okay. I'm actually really, really good. I'm feeling better than I have in a long time. Everything's going to be all right. I trust my divine. I trust my divine. I trust my heart. And so it is. And so it is. Now, that concludes our EFT demonstration. I want to tell you about the eyes. There is eye movement therapy, but I believe that the eyes are like the compass to the soul. If you ever ask a little kid and they record where everything is, hey, where did you leave your jacket? The little kid doesn't go, I left my jacket at school. The little kid goes, And then their eyeballs find it. I left it at school. So the eyeballs have a lot to do and they can help you a lot in your clearing. Now, I have a gift for you. If you would like to have it, there's going to be a link below. I prepared 12 daily angel messages that you can have in exchange for your email. And every single day, you're going to get an angel message. And I call it the 12 Angels of Easy World. There's a book called Choosing Easy World, which I highly recommend you get. And I just thought, what if there were some angels, special ones, that helped our lives be easier? And bada bing, bada boom, here comes 12 fabulous angels. And there's a message from each one of them. And you can start getting it today. This is Rebecca Marina. If you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And as I said earlier, when you think about tapping an EFT, give thanks to Gary Craig, because he made it accessible for every human on the planet. And it's the best thing since sliced bread. I'm Rebecca. I'll be back real soon.